Hi guys, it's Lewis from L&P Developments and we're at our site in Woodford Green again for that weekly update. We're going to do things slightly different this week because the guys are full steam ahead, really up against it, trying to get back on track and push that schedule ahead. So we're going to do the rest back from the office and show you exactly what's going on. So the reason we're back at the office this week and doing part of the weekly update from here is simply because of the fact that it's such a big push this week. I've got all hands on deck to try and get this job pushed on and on schedule. We have a weekly schedule to try and hit to make sure that we hit our targets and stay on track for the progression of the job. We've had the pad foundation to the centre of the rear wall excavated, reinforced with rebar and concreted. This is taking one of the goalpost RSJs that are going in place. We've had the drainage and first fix plumbing run and installed for the downstairs WC. This has also been tapped in to the main waste stack. We've had one of our goalpost RSJs supplied and installed this week. We had to get that in first in order to do our oversight because that does sit within that. We've had 24 tonne of hardcore MOT delivered to site, tipped off from the grab lorry and run through with barrows from the guys, spreading it out throughout the oversight and whacked with a whacker plate. We've then had the sand brought in, spread across and whacked again. That's now got us in the position where we're ready for Monday, where we're going to membrane and concrete. We've also had internally all of the floors come up, the kitchen's been ripped out, and we've also supported the chimney stack with acros and a scaffold board and had the chimney stack mostly removed. Despite the setbacks we had right at the beginning that you may have seen, we're now back on track. We've had a real big push this week and I can't thank the guys enough. It's all a collective effort for all of us to really push this on, and this is where you're going to start to see the real progression. We've had a fantastic week this week compared to last, and next week we've got the brickies in. They're getting all their brickwork up to the top of bifold height. We've got the scaffold going in, we've got the concrete for the oversight being poured and much more. So stay tuned for next week's site update where you get to see all of that.